Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Diameter of a circular garden is 9.8 meters. Find its area. You find the area of the circle. So, he already given diameter. Diameter is 9.8 meters. Let's see the solution. Diameter D is equal to 9.8 meters. Therefore, radius R is equal to, radius means diameter by 2, diameter in half of the diameter is radius. So, radius is equal to 9.8 divided by 2. Then 9.8 divided by 2 is 4.9. So, area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. So, here you pi r square, that means radius, not a diameter. He given diameter. So, your diameter to convert the radius. So, radius. Pi value is 22 by 7 into radius r is 4.9 square. So, 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9. So, here 4.9 means you remove the point, then 49. So, 49 is cancelled in 7 times. So, 22 into 0.7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. So, you put the dot 14.4. 14.4, then multiple with 4.9, then you will get the answer 75.46 centimeter square, meter squares. Area of the circle is 75.46 meter square. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.